Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
In this video, we will be removing and installing a front power window switch in a 2008 Subaru Outback. We'll start by opening the door. First, we're going to take this little trim piece off. You use a flat blade tool carefully behind the panel. Pull it, and then you can use your fingers and pull it back. There's 3 little clips. Next, we're going to take this trim piece off here with a flat blade tool. There's a little area to put your screwdriver. Push down and pull it out. There's clips on the back. Next, we're going to take this trim piece off. We're going to pry it down right here with a flat blade tool. Being careful not to damage any of the surfaces. And we're going to pull it out. This is difficult to come out. There is clips, retainers that hold it in. We're going to start with a Phillips head screwdriver. We have 3 screws, 1 there, 1 here, and then 1 up here. Next, we're going to use a door panel trim tool. We sell these at 1aauto.com. You can go in behind, pop off the clips. And then you just lift and pull back. On the inside, we're going to pull the inner door latch and lock mechanism off. We have to pull this cover up. We have to disconnect these cables. You're going to pull out, and then you're going to pull up. A little ball will come up. And same with this one. Next, we have to disconnect our connector for the window switches. You're going to push this little tab here and pull it down. And then we're going to disconnect our door light. You're going to push down on this tab, and it's going to pull right out. All right, let's pull the switch out and take this Phillips head screw out. Take this top one out on the right. We can leave that bottom one in for now because it's hard to get to. Take this one out. And take this Phillips head screw out. Then the switch, pull out of the door panel, and we'll take this last one out. We're going to uncover these little retainers here, these clips that hold it down. So there's 2 there and 2 there. Pry up underneath with a flat blade screwdriver. pry out on the front part. You can peel it away. There's your switch. So we're going to install this back in the bracket. Line it up. Line the holes up. Make sure all the switches are lined up. Just lock it in place. And this felt tape is like an insulation. It's just going to help for to prevent rattles or for noise, and that's about it. It's not mandatory. It's not going to change the way the vehicle works or anything. The switches will still do their job, so you really don't have to retape this or anything. Just leave it the way it is. Okay, before we put this in, because of this screw is difficult, we'll start with that. Now line this back up. In the door panel. Now we're going to reinstall the door panel. We're going to start where we left. We're going to reattach the door light. Just push it in. We're going to reattach the connector for the window switches. Just push it in. That's good. We're going to reattach the lever and lock mechanism with the cables. The small cable goes on the top. Take this ball, goes in there first. Like that. And then you slide it over. Just like that. And same with this one. Ball goes in this hole and then goes through the slot, and this goes down like that, and then you slide this cover down. Next you want to take this, go in from the top, get it in up top here. There's a groove, and once that's lined up, you should be able to line the pins up. Push, just like that. Phillips head screws and a Phillips head screwdriver. Start screwing in the panel. We're going to install this cover. It's going to slide in like that. And this last cover up top. Now we're going to use our last one. Put these 3 tabs in.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.